Hey, this is just a quick response video of the bolt action Lego pistol, and I'm just going to do a quick review on it. Okay, I'll put a video in the description how to make this on someone else's video. This is just a response video to his video. And this is just a quick review of it. So I'm just gonna load it. My gun has a bigger barrel throw because my rubber bands are bigger than they should be. Okay, just put the slide on. And it's loaded and ready to shoot. Cock it back and shoot. I only put 2 bullets in just for the sake of the video. Well, there it is.